Hello everyone, it's 19th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have SC recalls verdict on retrospective green clearances. Again, very important. Then we have top Maoist leader Hidma wife among 6 killed in Andhra Pradesh. Moving forward, we have police fan out in Red Fort area. Go after violators of tenant verification rules. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have Delhi residents demand accountability over foul air. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have 1987 riots. HC seeks centers reply over plea naming Kamal Nath. Again, very important. Then we have 2020 Northeast Delhi riots. HC seeks status of police probe and pending for FIRs. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have take leopards off protected list. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have what can local bodies expect from the 16th FC. Again, very important. Then we have what changes are planned for the Plant Variety Act. Again, very important for agriculture perspective. Moving forward, we have on Bangladesh's extradition request for Hasina. New Delhi has several options it can exercise. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have over 100 Indian universities make it to QS sustainability ranking. Again, very important. Then we have Indonesian defense minister to visit Delhi for talks on BrahMos. Very important for defense as well as international relations perspective. Then we have India Russia intensify consultations ahead of Putin's Delhi visit. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have RSS chief likely to make his first visit to Manipur. Again, very important. Then we have textile apparel exports see sharp decline in October. Very important for economic perspective. Then we have Russia to okay about 25 India fishery units for export. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Saudi to get a new budget carrier. Again, very important for defense as well as international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Seoul US sub deal will trigger nuclear domino effect, says North Korea. Then we have UNSC approves Trump's plan for future of Gaza. Then we have Trump hosts Saudi prince for defense nuclear deals. And lastly, we have UK Labour government's asylum policy changes show cracks in the party. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.